couple of final things to talk about for Ashley, who's asking about not making mistakes, avoiding mistakes, what to take into account as she begins to think about retirement planning. And that's not going it alone. You know, we mentioned the planning process, and obviously that takes place with a trusted financial advisor at your side. You know, you think about the things that you might do yourself, Ashley, and maybe you're very good at some things. You know, maybe if your car breaks down, you repair it yourself. Probably not likely. I don't do that.
I don't anymore. Nope.
Especially with cars as complicated as they are in the computer age that we're in. I always seek out an expert's opinion, advice, and expertise when it comes to their field. Yeah. And I think this is very important here, to not try to walk into retirement or even really plan on going into retirement by yourself.
You know, this is an area where we eat our own cooking, if you will. We're looking at, you know, how do you transition a company over the years to the next generation from the founding owners? How do you do that? And that's something that we're reaching out, you know, a decade and more in advance of that date to go, okay, what does this look like? How do we plan for that? And there are countless people in the industry who say, you know, most people don't reach out that far in advance, but you're going to be well prepared for having done so. And that's the same is true on an individual retirement basis. The sooner that you reach out and seek that wise counsel, the sooner you can be sure that you're on the right track for you.